Hello teacher, my name is David Cueto. I am in Prepa 1A. Follow, we have a test and answer to two tasks based on the test. Test. Market research is essential for entrepreneurs who want their businesses to succeed. According to the US research and consulting firm CB Insights, most entrepreneurs fail because they lack sufficient financing. The second reason they fail is because the market for their product is too small. Yet many entrepreneurs and coaching professionals continue to reject the market research phase in favor of a fail fast, pivot quickly approach. Launching companies this way, even if it means having to adapt to customer feedback later, is very trendy, especially in the world of startup. However, as the bitter experience of entrepreneur Zaragoza demonstrates, learning by doing is no guarantee that a business will gain traction in the marketplace. In 2017, after months of effort, Zaragoza launched his site Gym Listed to connect private gyms with users, only to find out that there was no demand for such a service. Through my activity as a professor in entrepreneurial marketing, I unfortunately meet an increasing number of entrepreneurs who are convinced that they have the idea of the century, but who do not take time to study the market in a structured way. Market research remains an essential tip for entrepreneurs for the simple reason that if the owner is not a market expert, who is? Qualitative research would be an important step in completing the value proposition design, a tool that helps illustrate why the idea will meet the market expectation. The information also makes it possible to draw up a prices profile of the expected clientele using a buyer persona, a method for summarizing the main characteristics of future buyers. Task 1. 1. The word fail in paragraph 1 is opposite to succeed. 2. The word guarantee in paragraph 2 is opposite to doubt. 3. The word owner in paragraph 3 is opposite to entrepreneur. Task 2. Question 1. Give 2 reasons why most entrepreneurs fail. 2 reasons why most entrepreneurs fail. They do not take time to study the market in a structured way. They think the owner is not a market expert and skip essential market research. 2. What could we learn from the entrepreneur Zaragoza experience? Qualitative research is an important step in completing the value proposition design, helping to create a precise profile of expected clientele. 3. Why is market research essential for entrepreneurs? Market research remains an essential step for entrepreneurs because it makes the market's expectation clear and enables drawing up a precise profile of the target buyer guiding the value proposition design. Thank you for your attention.